Ang pag-usapan natin mga boss ngayong umaga ay tungkol sa Speech Communication Association Convention. Kasama natin ngayong umaga si Sir Ken Hamandre, who is from the UP Department of Speech Communication and Theater Arts. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, JC.
Thank you. Magandang umaga. Ito pong convention natin, just to be clear, no, ito po ay binubuo ng mga speechcom researchers and academicians. Tama po ba?
Tama po. Aside from researchers, academicians, we're also inviting students, teachers, even professionals to join.
And ito po ay gaganapin, sir, sa May 2 to 4. Is
Tama,
that right?
yeah. We're inviting everybody. It's on May 2 to 4 in La Carmela de Boracay.
Ang sarap, Boracay.
Yes, excited na.
So
tama.
I'm sure right after nun or before, which would be May 1, no? Magbe-beach pa kayo? Or...
Sigurado.
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 Alright,
Kailangan.
sir. What is it supposed to be? What is the purpose or the objective of this convention?
All right, thank you. So we are the Speech Communication Organization of the Philippines. This is our 30th year and we conduct annual conventions. Our theme for this year is speech communication in the local and global context in relation to education, profession, and research. Ang goal namin ngayon ay ma-promote, mapahalagahan ang field ng speech communication, lalo sa mga estudyante at sa edukasyon.
So, tatlo ito, sir, no? Education, profession, and research.
Yes.
What are the major issues or topics sa tatlong fields na ito, sir?
We will be discussing about speech communication in the profession. Halimbawa, ang kahalagahan ng komunikasyon sa trabaho, sa workplace. At this moment, we're also focusing on mediated communication. Kaya marami po kaming paper presentations tungkol sa social media.
Mediated, meaning using the different media.
Yes,
Tama ba, sir? Okay.
Mostly on internet use,
Right.
communication behavior online. And most importantly, we're also focusing on communication education, lalo sa pagdating ng K-12.
And yung sa K-12, sir, interesting to kasi we were talking earlier and you told me na pagdating pala ng grade 11, required na ang communication course, no? Para sa ating mga estudyante.
Tama. In UP is Communication 3, no? Com 3. Ngayon, meron na siyang counterpart or version which is English 11A. And English 11A mainly focuses on the oral communication skills of the students.
And this is for yung senior high school, no?
Yes.
ng K-12.
That's true.
English lang ba, sir, yung focus ng oral communication?
Yung nakita ko lang na curriculum na galing sa CHED and DepEd, naka-focus siya sa English. However, I know that there is also a counterpart course in Filipino. Meron din nagtatakol tungkol sa language, debate, argumentation, performance, and the like.
Right. And you also mentioned, sir, tungkol sa speech communication research, no?
Yes.
I've always wondered, sir, ano yung mga research, no, endeavors ng ating mga speechcom experts?
Yes, the speech communication as a field covers many levels. So we talk about voice and diction. Meron kami mga research about it. We also talk about interpersonal communication, intercultural communication, meron din audio communication. So basically any interface na may kinalaman ang human interaction. At this point, we are also venturing into computer-mediated communication. Very timely nga yung political communication, especially with the campaign season.
Right. And have there been any interesting findings recently sa speechcom research?
Yes. Ang challenge has always been globally, to promote the field of speech communication. Overlap siya minsan sa perception ng tao that it's about mass communication,
right,
also with communication arts. But for speech in itself, we would like to promote the idea that we're also involved, let's say, with performance studies or oral interpretation. We do topics on marketing, on business, on health. So as a field, we're still on the process then of promoting locally at the very least the importance of speech communication.
And I'm sure meron din kayo, sir, efforts, no? As we were talking earlier about Filipino and English communication, meron din kayong efforts to promote Filipino speech communication.
Yes, our experts, lalo sa department namin sa Speechcom, we're also looking into with the Filipino and Philippine Literature Department kasi napaka-importante din na syempre ng Filipino language sa communication.
Right. Okay, sir. Ano ang mangyayari naman? No? So we know now the purpose of the convention. Ano naman, sir, ang mangyayari ngayon sa convention na ito exactly?
Yes. From May 2 to 4, we will have 4 plenary speakers. We will also have 2 parallel sessions na puro paper presentations. And of course, the fun part, which is going to the beach.
All right. So meron talagang itinerary,
yes, there's a
na
schedule.
going to the beach. Actually, sir, I've always wondered about this. Have you been, for example, taking studies on how our leaders, no, address the people, no?
Yes.
Have there been findings? Kunyari, kay President Noynoy Aquino, I think very apparent na Filipino, no, yung mode of language niya talaga. Ano sir masasabi niyo tungkol dito?
Yes, tama. I've read studies in relation to linguistics, Polsci, tungkol sa paggamit nga ni Pinoy ng Filipino. So there's a plethora or there's a very big corpus of study about it. Effective on many levels ang kanyang paggamit ng Filipino kasi mas nakaka-connect nga siya sa mas nakararami.
Right. And coming from previous administrations na mas English, no?
Yes,
Sir,
yes.
yung ginagamit.
That's true.
Global competitiveness, sir, ng Filipino in speech.
We've always been proud of our products in terms of English speaking. Siguro we need not go far. We have the business process outsourcing industry or BPO in demand locally, especially internationally, kasi yung mga workers natin, we're very proficient in English, kaya natin pinopromote. That's why we have very high chances of employment.
Right. All right. Any final message, sir, for our viewers?
Salamat. Again, I'd like to invite everybody. May 2 to 4 po ang Speech Communication Organization of the Philippines Convention sa Boracay. Magkita-kita po tayo doon.
All right. Thank you. That was Professor Neil Kenneth Hamandre, the president of the Speech Communication Association of the Philippines and a professor of the UP Department of Speech Communication and Theater Arts. Maraming salamat, sir.
Salamat.
Thank you, sir.